Hello everyone. There is no shadow of doubt that making the best use of all the educational resources adds efficiency to your research. But there is one giant, incredible resource that you might be making the most of. The greatest search engine in history. I'm talking about Google. Google is the most popular search engine in the world. However, it's a double-edged sword. You don't have to waste hours and hours looking for the specific result you need. This search engine has various features that can simplify your online experience. So, in this video, we will present to you the top 14 tips and tricks that can help you get more efficient and effective results. So, let's start with tip number 1. Quotation marks. We use it to get more specific results for exact phrases. For example, if you search for pizza recipe, you will find all the possible results, which are about 1,440,000,000 results. It's an enormous number. But if you want to search for a specific keyword in the phrase, you can type it within quotation marks. And now you will get less results, but for the selected phrase only. Tip number 2. Related results. We use it to find websites similar to other sites. Here is how we use it. Type related column and the site you want to search for. For example, facebook.com. The shown results are sites related to Facebook, such as LinkedIn, Twitter, and other websites. Tip number 3. File type. Searching by file type can be useful, especially for students, teachers, or anyone conducting research that may be looking for PDF, Word document, or any other file type. Here is how it works. Type the topic you want to search for, followed by file type, column, PDF. You will get all the results for your topic in the form of PDF only. If you replace PDF by doc, you will find results in document form only. Tip number 4. The power of asterisk. When you are not able to remember one keyword from your phrase, simply put an asterisk instead of this word. Google will come up with results you are looking for. Tip number 5. Around. If there are many words in the phrase that you can't remember, rather than a single word, write the first and last words and putting around plus the approximate number of missing words in brackets between them. You will find out what you are looking for. Tip number 6. Tools button. If you are searching for an event or conference in a specific time period, you can type the event name, then click on Tools button. You can choose any time period from suggested periods. Or you can custom your own range. I will type the dates manually as shown. So you will find results within the customized range only. Moreover, you can choose your own country instead of any country. The shown results are eventually in the chosen country and time period as required. Tip number 7. GIFs. For finding GIFs, you can search for whatever you want to search for, then select on Images, Tools, then choose GIF or Animated from the Type button. The shown results will be GIFs only. Tip number 8. Minus sign. Minus sign is used to ignore all the unwanted results. For example, when you search for cake recipe, you will find all the possible recipes. But if you want to exclude a specific kind, you can type cake recipe minus the kind that you want to exclude. For example, chocolate. This will give you all cake recipes excluding chocolate ones regarding this example. Tip number 9. Search within sites. This is one of the most useful search tricks. Let's say I would like to find out what Forbes site has written about smart roads. I'll type in the search bar smart roads, followed by site, column, Forbes.com. So you'll find pages about that topic within the chosen site. In addition, if you'd like to make your results limited to educational resources only, you can type the topic that you want to search for, followed by site, column, .edu. The shown results are the educational sites and pages about that topic. Tip number 10. Define. This tip can be used to find definition source from Oxford Dictionary. Just type define and the word you want to define. For example, you can type define logistics. You'll immediately find definition of logistics from Oxford Dictionary. Tip number 11. Title. If you are trying to get more relevant results, sometimes it's better to suggest titles of web pages. Here's how you do it. Just type in title, column, and then the search term, and this will give you all the pages with your search term in the title, as you see in the shown example. Tip number 12. Weather. If you are about to travel soon and would like to know what is the weather in the place you are going to, type in the search bar weather and the place between brackets, and you will find the weather as shown. Tip number 13. Google calculations. You can convert many types of measurements such as distance, temperature, or more. For instance, you can type 10 kilometers to miles. This will be calculated as shown, and you can even change the number or the measuring unit as you need. Let's end our video with a funny trick. Tip number 14. Type Google Gravity on search bar and select the first result that you'll find.